Q410 28, I think this one is. Today is the 29th, I think, or the 30th. I don't know what day it is, man. Who knows? So they put trash in well cars. This must be running out of trash cars. There's so much trash now. That was interesting. These cars, oh no, okay. CRLE.
CSX G7750. Fuel 3229.
Yeah, we're gonna stop here at Wilsmere real quick. We hit a small tree back there. We were coming into Wilsmere and looks like it might be stuck on the front end there. We can get it loose.
That's pretty cool.
Keep me posted if you can get it removed or not, over.
Alright, yeah, we'll let you know.
G7750. 30, go.
Yeah, he had another tree in the middle of his train. Took out my front of my engine. Bent my grab iron, so I gotta get a hold of the train master.
Alright, understand.
Detroit and Mackinac.
Your call when you guys
That's pretty
get
cool.
that piece off the train master.
Alright, thank you.
I slipped, I didn't get a picture of it.
Yeah, we're going up to the 18.7 for a tree. Can you get us a rough mile pole where the
That's a
32
cool
hit
car.
that one so we double check that on the way around?
I would say he's coming.
So on the side of the cars is the reporting marks on the car. The reporting mark UTLX, GATX. That's who owns the car.
29, you believe. That are some trees in there. Oh yeah,
And especially on these old foreign flag cars, these old cars, you can find out who owns that car.
Hold on, 1 second.
Most of the time you can get some pretty good pictures of the car in previous years, and it tracks some data about the car, which I find fascinating.
Thank you. Between the PAK 31.0 and the 30.5.
Alright, copy that, thank you. We'll get this one at 18.7, then we'll head that way.
Thank you, sir. Yeah.
Cargill. There's a cool one. Mid-Iowa Co-op Corporation. Couldn't get it out. I like the grain cars.
Yeah, these ditch lights are jacked up. So yeah. I'll let you know in a second.
A lot of granite slabs in there. You can see them up top. The Bay Line.
Yeah, we're good, Kurt. Alright.
So these trains are having a real problem with the wind today. There are restrictions, and you wouldn't think it, but the trains do have, the wind does wreak havoc with these trains. And that looks like a brand new car.
Q02B.
There's really not much holding them on the tracks, if you think about it. I've heard them say that wheel contact to rail is about the size of a dime. So on really windy days, yeah, they can blow over, man. They have. I've seen them, reports of them blowing over on the Susquehanna Bridge going Perryville. A little repair on that container. And patch them up. They've seen better days.
CSX/Jackson. Q32. Q32. Yes, sir. Go ahead. Yes, sir. You got a tree underneath the front of the motor here. I'd like to try and shove back about a car or so and see if we can.
Something a little different today. Trolleys. I'm at Septa, Eastwich Loop. Trolley coming into the loop. All during this crazy thing going on, this showstopper, they have car cleaners that come down and they're here at the loop. Bye, Mr. Rogers. Another trolley coming in the loop. So during this time, I think they're only running 4 to 6 trolleys on this group, on this route. This is the 36 route. Ridership is down so low, they don't need a lot of trolleys. So many guys are calling out sick too. It's so windy today. Usually the airport's right there. runway is, you know, half a mile away. And the planes, jets fly over. But usually they come in over the river, but it's so windy today. We have gusts of, you hear it, you know, 50, 60 miles an hour sometimes. And they're coming in the other way now, the way that they never really do. They're rocking and rolling when they're coming in too. I'm going to try to catch some. See it rocking. So windy. That's a little one.